Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, I'm gonna open the Chrome browser. And now, to take a screenshot, we need to press the volume down button and the power button together. So let's press them together, and after you press them, you'll get this pop-up right here, the preview of the screenshot, and you can tap on this menu right here. You have a couple of options. First one is edit. Basically, you can edit the screenshot. Let me take a screenshot again. You can tap on edit to edit your screenshot. Here you can resize it. You can draw on it with different types of things. You can put the text on it, and you can also put mosaic on to censor some stuff like that. And once you're done, tap the check mark to save your screenshot. You can also tap on second button, which is share, to share your screenshot via some apps like Bluetooth, Drive, Duo, Gmail, and stuff like that. Next option is Google Lens. Basically, you can tap on Google Lens to try to search on Google the things that are on your screen. So as you can see, it's giving me matches for the stuff like that, like military stuff, because we have photo of military people right here. And the last option is basically delete screenshot. So if you don't like the screenshot you took, you can delete it immediately by tapping on delete. We can also take a scroll screenshot, which basically allows you to take a screenshot of the whole Google page, not only things that fit on the screen, but you can take a screenshot of the whole Google page, basically everything that goes down if you scroll down. To do it, take a normal screenshot by pressing the power and volume down, then tap this button right here. Oh, I was too late, my bad. There's this little button right here on the preview, and it's gonna start scrolling down, and it's gonna stop on when it reaches bottom of the screen, but you can also stop it by tapping on the stop button right here. As you can see, now it's processing, and once it's done, you can basically edit it again, share it, and stuff like that. Let's go to the photos to see our scroll screenshot. Where is it? Photos here. Okay, and here we have it. As you can see, it's quite long, but you can take the screenshot of the whole page or whatever you want. Okay, there's also another way to take a screenshot. You can basically put 3 fingers on the screen and hold to take a screenshot like this. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.